Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to Vincom Plaza and also the super interesting new building project. It is actually going up right now. So before it was just a huge ground and now we already have 3 floors in 2 towers. This is crazy. When this is done, it's gonna be a huge mega project. Maybe, I cannot believe that's gonna be done next year, maybe in 2 years, but this is gonna be huge. But hey, we're gonna go actually and check out Vincom Plaza again. Did they change here? Vincom Day? I don't know what that means. We are in the Vincom Plaza. We have the body shop over here. H&M, that's where my wife just went. And I'm gonna go and do a walking tour with you guys. That's a perfect mix. My wife goes shopping, I'm doing a walking tour because what else should I do? Should I wait there? Should I stand around in H&M? And I don't want to shop, you know. Should I sit somewhere? But there's no sitting for men. Maybe they should have a bar here. In the middle, have a bar and the woman can go shopping like crazy, you know. But I don't want to do something else. This has changed a little bit. This is something new. Himalaya. And Dyson. We got a Dyson stand over there, which is actually crazy. So, oh, that's actually nice here. Look at this. Rain, white rose. Hello. Looks nice. But one thing, oh look at this, they even have a train right now. Probably a VinFast train. So here, I actually used one of those Dyson things in the Hong Kong hotel I've stayed. And this is 300 euro. But my wife bought the same thing, just not from Dyson, for 50 bucks or something. Oh. Thank you. Oh, look at this. They even have something like this. Oh, so they have a whole Dyson stand here now. But yeah, so my wife bought the same style of hairdryer, but just like for less, maybe way less. And I tried out both at home and I tried it in the 5-star hotel in Hong Kong, and both is the same in my opinion. I did not see any difference between those two. This is new, I think. This is new. This is new, I think. Fela. Before Swarovski was there was actually VinFast. So that changed. We got Victoria's Secrets over there. We got Tommy Hilfiger here. There should be a Starbucks on the right side. Yes, there still is. Levi's. There's some big brands here right now. Havaianas. Nike. What do you say, Nike or Nike? I really don't know. Starbucks over here. As you can see, it's filled with Vietnamese, not drinking, what is it called? Coffee, but they drink everything but coffee. And did you see the 2 men standing around there? They're also waiting for their wives to shop. And that's why how I don't want to look like. That's why I actually walk around with you guys. So now you have also a wife that is shopping right now and we're walking around. This is brand new. Oh wow, this is brand new, guys. So they actually changed Adidas from Fila, they moved here and it's way bigger and way more modern. Wow. It looks like a flagship store here. This is crazy. They have all the... I've just been to Adidas in Germany. This whole collection, I think it's also there. But this is unique. We don't have this in Germany, guys. The Vietnam Adidas. It's actually cool. It looks cool here, guys. We got still some jerseys from the World Cup. This is also new. I think because there's a new mall in town, they also have to make it better, you know? Because they're like, okay, who wants to go to the Vincom Plaza if there's the Aeon Mall, Aeon Mall, right? But now it's actually, it looks very modern. If you checked out my walking tour a little bit earlier this year. I think I was here, maybe a year, maybe last year, I'm not 100% sure. But it was totally different. It was totally different. We have Fila here, we have Wilson, tennis, okay, long-lived tennis. And yeah, it feels like they upgraded. We have a Crocs stand, we have basically all big brands here. And now we're getting into the next floors. It'll probably be the second tier brands. Not that big brands you wanna show off first, but the second tier. Like the Chinese sports thing, Anta and things like that. And then some places I don't understand, Mulgati, Russia. All right. We got Birkenstocks. I mean, this is kind of A tier. What else do we have here? X-Tep, I don't understand that. Casio, Mini Soju. I think this is a dream for all women who wanna shop some small things without a reason. I've been there. I survived. Then some random, maybe local brands, I'm not 100% sure. So this is basically, I don't know what brand it is. I don't know, Anta. I don't really understand the brand behind it. But yeah, they're actually renovating. It feels very bouncy here. And a little bit dangerous, to be honest. But yeah, it feels like they renovating like crazy here. They have very annoying sound here. Very, very annoying sound. I think this is absolutely, yeah, moronic to have that loud of a bad sound system. But yeah, we have a Winmart over here. And we have a Winmart with a bridge that should symbolize the Golden Bridge in in Bana Hills. It looks pretty bad. It smells like durian here. A lot of people shopping here. Let's go one more up. The actually reason why I actually came here, I mean my wife wanted to go to H&M, but I wanted to go upstairs and see if there's something new to eat. Are we gonna eat somewhere there? And I actually wanted to walk around a little bit because it's pretty hot, so I'd rather walk around in the AC. Dotti. It doesn't smell good here on this floor. Ah, there's a children's playground, that's right. It's just the thing, you know. If you put a lot of children in one place, it does not smell good, guys. And I cannot, oh God, what a nightmare. If I have to pick up my child and is playing with other children and they all smell bad. Guys, I'm not a child, I don't like children at all. Just have to get used to it. They're very annoying and loud. Oh, but it's okay. Maybe I have to start meditating. Maybe I have to go wake up at 5 o'clock and do some workout with the uncles, because I'm gonna become an uncle. This is very interesting. Poseidon seafood place, all you can eat. Very popular place. But for me, I'm not so much into seafood anymore, so I'll pass. Oh my God, I just got dripped on. Look at this. There's water coming down from there. Look at this. This is nasty. I hope it's not toilet water. Yeah, it looks like downstairs it was good, but here it looks very hood. Feels like it's renovating. Hopefully they're gonna be quick. I actually thought Vincom Plaza upgraded, but I guess at the moment, as you can see here, it's very bouncy. You see this? But yeah, let's go upstairs. Caracoli coffee. This is pretty interesting. Crystal Jade, I ate there already one time. I ate at Gogi one time. I ate at Thai Market. It's like okay-ish. It's not the best dumpling place, to be honest. There are some Chinese restaurants that actually perform better with dumplings, Chinese dumplings. We have Jollibees here. It's packed. Some Thai, a lot of Thai restaurants. Al fresco. It's still all the same. Jollibees. It's huge. Spicy box. Lao tteokbokki buffet. So you have tteokbokki and hot pot. I think it's very affordable. It's like under $5, I think. Then what is that? Lang Wang. Hot pot Hong Kong. Hong Kong hot pot. Interesting. Interesting. Looks nice though. It's also new. It changed. That was not there before. It looks very professional. I had the best hot pot I had in my life. I think my wife agrees. I have to ask her. But in Hong Kong, the best. I don't even know how much it was, because no matter how much it was the value. It was worth it. It was the best all you can eat buffet I had. Ice sushi. Damn it! What was the name? I hope I made a story. Maybe I will remember. It was so bloody good. Manhwa, I tried that also one time, but it's not coming up to Hai Di Lao. This looks like Thai again. Thai hot pot and some tam. So you have a lot of basically Thai food, Chinese hot pots, Korean barbecues, and Filipino Jollibees. And of course this here is a rolling hot pot place as well. Reminds me a little bit of Shabushi in Thailand. I think this is also new. Looks stylish. The Som Thai. Oh wow. Oh wow. Dude, you know what? I'm sold. Pad Kra Pao, baby. I should try out a Pad Kra Pao. So how much is a Pad Kra Pao in Vietnam? Cow Pad Kra Pao Mu Sap. Stir-fried pork, chili, basil, served with steamed rice. 106K. 106K, what does it mean? There's also a cinema over there. Yeah, 106,000 is around $4 and let's say 10 cents. $4.10 a Pad Kra Pao in the mall here in Vietnam, in Da Nang. We have mochi sweets. I absolutely love them. Oh my god, I love mochis. They look good. Nice. Chocolat mousse. Oh. Maybe I'll come back later. Okay guys, I'm gonna pick up my wife and then we're gonna eat something here, I think. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.